Welcome back to my channel, guys. 3P, and I'm back with another video. And today I have a very special video. And today I got my second jewelry review on this channel. And these pieces were actually gifted to me by Stndrdz. Make sure you guys all go follow Stndrdz on Instagram down below. Check out their website. They got some really dope stuff and really high quality stuff. But yeah, Stndrdz on Instagram. Shout out to them so much. They checked out my videos and they wanted to send me something to review. And I'll give you guys my honest opinion on it. If it's hot, it's hot. And if it's not, it's not. I'm not exactly sure what they sent me, but we'll find out right now. So the first thing I noticed is that it came with a card, which is a 25% off code, Stndrdz1. Make sure you guys use that if you want 25% off. And I actually didn't know this, but it says each and every sale donates to children in foster homes. I think that's really cool, donating to a good cause. But this is my first look at what they gave me. I'm not even sure what they sent, but I'm gonna crack this open right now. Once you open this nice cardboard box, is a nice leather pouch inside that has Stndrdz embossed into it. And opening it up, haven't even looked at it yet. Let's just pull out the two pieces. Damn. Okay. Alright, so just opening up these packages right off the bat, these pieces seem really nice. They sent me this rope chain with an Ankh Pendant that looks really nice. And then they also sent me this all iced out tennis bracelet. Actually, I've been wanting a bracelet for a while. I never really had one. So without any further ado, let's open up these two little plastic bags and see the actual products inside. So first of all, we have this really nice tennis bracelet. Yeah, on the website it says 14 karat PVD gold plating, which is super nice. I really like this quality and the color of the golds. And also the lab diamonds are really nicely set. These are CZs. Obviously, you're not gonna get real natural diamonds for the price that they have on the website. They do have a really good price. It's usually $99.99, but right now it's on sale for $30. So make sure you guys go pick one of these up for the good price if you do like what you see. I'm gonna try it on right now. And it does have a double-sided clasp, so it has two pieces, which you just insert into each other. And then they have these two little pieces that you just clip around. Super easy, doesn't come apart. I'm pulling pretty hard right now, and there's no really slippage or anything like that. Honestly, I really like this bracelet. I am pretty skinny, honestly. I have small wrists, so it is a little bit big. Like when I go like this, it slips a little bit. I don't really mind though. I'll definitely rock this a lot. I really like it. And I really think a bracelet can really just complete your outfit and add a little bit of style to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the 14 karat gold plated tennis bracelet. I really like this item a lot and I'll be wearing it all the time. You guys will see in my Instagram pictures and stuff like that. It's really nice quality. It's not really flimsy or anything like that. So for our next item, we have this Ankh Pendant, which is made of 14 karat PVD plated gold. And also those same lab CZs diamonds that you saw on the tennis chain. And this also came with a 14 karat gold plated rope chain. This is a really nice pendant, and as you can see, the stones shine really well. I don't really see any flaws with this. There's no scratches in the gold or scratches on the stones or anything like that. And it honestly looks like real diamonds to me. I'll also be wearing this a lot. I might switch out the chains, might layer it with some other stuff, but I really like this piece a lot. Just another close-up so you guys can see those stones really up close and personal. The color of the gold, the back. So now I'm gonna try the necklace on and show you guys what it looks like. So when I'm wearing them, this is what both items look like. The really nice bracelet and then the chain with the pendant. The pendant lays flat and everything, no problems with that. Really like it a lot. Just two super dope pieces that I'll be wearing all the time. Just a huge shout out to Stndrdz for giving me the opportunity to review their jewelry. I honestly really like it a lot. I would not lie to you guys about this. Very impressed by the quality. So huge shout out to Stndrdz again. So thank you guys so much for checking out my review on the Stndrdz jewelry, the tennis chain, and the Ankh Pendant with the 14 karat gold rope chain. I like both of these items a lot, like I said before. But that's it for now. I'm out. Peace.